Hello everyone. Welcome to the Clarity 1611 Supportability and Feature Training. This is Denise Saladay. In this session, we're going to cover user notification setting enhancements. So what is new in this area? In modern UX, we actually created a place where users can update their notification settings. And they'll be able to do that at a user level for conversations and sharing. This is important because prior to this release, users could only update their notification preferences in Classic, and we wanted to provide another mechanism for them to be able to do that within the modern UX. Users will be able to actually change their notifications in modern under Settings. So if you navigate to Settings, there's a new notification menu option. And you can see here that conversations and sharing is available. These settings will be synchronized with the original ones in Classic under Account Settings. As you can see, you have similar functionality for conversations and sharing. You have Alert, Email, and SMS. You also have a Select All in Modern, just like you had in Classic, so that you don't have to check each one individually. But in Modern, the Reset and Restore Defaults options are not available. Now, with this capability, we did not change any of the behavior that the users see, but I wanted to just go through that briefly. So for Paul Martin, I actually have his settings in Modern UX for conversations and sharing to show alerts and email. And you can see from the screenshots included here that he's actually received a notification in the notification bell from Cheryl Amos for a conversation. And the screenshot to the right shows the email notification that he received for this conversation. And once again, this is the same behavior that you saw last release. We're only adding a new place where users can update their notification settings. Now we will begin the demonstration portion of this training. And what I'll do is I'll show you how to update the user notifications in Modern, and we'll actually see them in action. So now let's take a close look at the user settings in Modern for Paul Martin. So you'll navigate to his avatar, click Settings, and under the Notifications tab, note that he has both alerts and email checked for both conversations and sharing. So let's uncheck this here. And then we'll go look at this again in Modern, or in Classic. So in Classic, if you navigate to Account Settings, under the Notifications tab, you'll see that Conversations is now unchecked for Paul Martin. So these are kept in sync. So even if you check them in Classic, you'll note that they're going to appear checked again in Modern. So in Modern, you can see that they're checked. You can see right now in the bell icon here that Paul Martin doesn't have any notifications currently. Now I'm going to log into a different server as Cheryl Amos, and I'm going to send him another conversation item, and we'll take a look at that. And you can see now that Paul has a notification here from Cheryl. And that concludes this part of the presentation. Thank you. And this concludes this training session on user notification setting enhancements. Thank you.